All ours, private experience. We rented out Super Nintendo World just for the Funnel Cake Blog. It is the first rainy day in the Mushroom Kingdom. Day 3 of technical rehearsals here at Universal Studios Hollywood at Super Nintendo World. It is 9 o'clock, the gates just open, and we're going to try to do everything before the rain starts. Let's go check it out.
Deformed mushroom.
Touch the yellow ones. You gotta go really fast. Way to go. Go ahead and collect your keys.
It is a rainy day in the Mushroom Kingdom and there is literally no one here. You have the entire Mushroom Kingdom to yourself virtually. Look at it. You can count the people. Oh, that was easy. Right across. I didn't even realize this stuff was up here, so we're gonna head up here. This is, oh yeah, it's a whole nother level. How did I miss all this? Like our own private theme park experience. Imagine coming to a brand new world, literally, and have nobody be here. That's what this is. This is so cool. We rented out Super Nintendo World just for the theFUNnelCakeBlog. All ours, private experience. If you like this rainy day video from Super Nintendo World Day 3 of technical rehearsals, give the video a big thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to the channel with the notification bell turned on, and follow us on social media at theFUNnelCakeBlog. It's actually cold. You can see my breath. It is time to go home. And dear guests, you're making these poor team members stand out here in this pouring rain. Go home, go home. So as someone that has a ton of friends that work at theme parks and someone that's worked at a theme park, I'm kind of torn because today was a perfect day to come because there was nobody in Super Nintendo World, but I also feel horrible for all these team members here at Universal and cast members at Disney, because Knott's and Magic Mountain are closed today, that have to stand out in this rain. I will say the outdoor activity experiences here at Super Nintendo World, a couple of them were closed just for safety reasons because the ground was slick, but they still had the team members out there in the pouring rain. So I do feel bad for them because it is coming down really, really good. A light sprinkle is one thing, but it is literally pouring. And I think we're expecting over an inch today. So team members, thank you so much for everybody working today. Oh, and Lisa Ann at Toadstool Cafe, thank you. You were awesome. We actually stopped at guest relations and put in a compliment for you. So if you, for some reason, happen to watch this, thank you for your awesome interaction today.